Alright guys, I actually just recorded this video. My microphone was off, so I'm gonna go over it a little quicker because last one was kind of long. Just give you the general sense of what's going on here. We're approaching the end of our correction, and this correction is extremely bullish, and it's gonna lead us to 200k prices. So as a general overview, if you watch my previous videos, I have us in this triple 1-2 setup from the lows off 15k. Let's zoom in real quick to the daily. And if you watch my last video specifically, we were right around this area, and I was expecting some type of WXY zigzag. Definitely a zigzag lower, and it looks like this is playing out. We have a 3-wave move in A, and then a 3-3-3 wave move in B. So overall it's a 3-3, and we're looking for this 5-wave down in a C for a flat, an ABC flat, to complete our third and final 1-2, which will propel us into the bull run. On the weekly, we have, which I have labeled in this box right here, from the wicks right here to the wicks right here, this gap, this candle gap, it's called a fair value gap. And it's basically where price extends, in this case in a bullish sense, and there is no traded price action in this area. It creates a gap of fair value, which means the markets usually return to these areas to essentially balance out the market price. Also in the center of this box we have our 0.5 fib pulled from our last 1-2 and this 1-2. We also have our 786 fib time comparing this wave 2 to our current wave 2, and everything is looking great. Let's zoom in a little bit to the 1 hour. What I'm looking for now is this final 5-wave move in a C, and it really looks like it's not complete yet. We need one more move down. This just counts best as 4 waves right now, with our third wave hitting the 2.618 extension perfectly. The targets we have for our wave C and also this 5th wave is right here at the 1.236 wave C extension at 57,000. Of course we can get wicks a little lower with the 55k to the 0.5 fib, potentially even to our serious support zone down here with the bull market support band. This zone of consolidation and our weekly level, monthly naked point of control, and our 618 Fibonacci. Now in my opinion, I don't think we're coming down to this level. If we do, I think it will be in a very quick wick. I think most likely our strong support zone is right here where this orange bubble is, right around 55 to 57k. I think we will respect this area very heavily, and I'm personally going to be buying there. Mostly the altcoins, if you've noticed, they have seriously degraded on this drop, as Bitcoin's sucking in liquidity for its, so it can go on to its final phase of the bull market. And I'll zoom out a bit and show you what that looks like. In our triple 1, 2 scenario, we're looking for 5 waves here. This will complete our second, propel us into a third, fourth, and a fifth, which follow along here our previous 1, 2. This 5-wave move will complete our third wave of the previous 1, 2, which then we will go on to a 4 and a fifth, which, look back on the chart again, our previous 1, 2 will complete that third wave, which again we will go back in a fourth and a fifth, which will complete the bull market, probably right around 200,000. And this is my outlook. It has been my outlook. Check the video again I posted 3 weeks ago. This was the exact scenario I was speaking of. Was a zigzag lower as an Elliott wave flat scenario. And I am fairly confident, well actually very confident, this correction looks best as not being complete. I say we need one more low right into this orange box, orange circle. Alright, thank you guys, and I hope you're ready to load up on some altcoins down here. No financial advice.